Oh, Sunday GOAT. I still need Wimby. I got Yao yesterday. I've taken T-Mac, MJ, Giannis. I don't know who this is going to be. Give me Wimby. Center Western, small forward Western. Oh, KD. Let's go. I forgot I still needed him. That's what's up. That's what's up. Sorry about the hand. Just want to add some more volume to that. That's what's up. 6 hoops in the game. That's 2. Just pretty much meaningless at this point in the game. All right. We know KD's got everything.
Only pay for what you need.
There he is. Boom, boom, boom.
You've got your Sunday obsession, and we got you. Now with Verizon, get NFL Sunday Ticket from YouTube TV on us. And a great deal on Galaxy Z Fold 6 for a total value of $1,250. Only on Verizon. See you Sunday.
It's finally working. Here comes the happy train.
Pretty good card. KD, welcome to the team, brother.